What does the term closing disclosure refer to in a real estate transaction? A final accounting of all costs and fees associated with the loan and closing process. What is a real estate appraisal? An assessment of a property's market value by a licensed appraiser. What does the term assessed value refer to in real estate? The value of a property for tax purposes as determined by the local tax assessor. What is principal in a mortgage loan? The amount of money borrowed to purchase a property. What does the term mortgage insurance refer to in real estate? Insurance that protects the lender against losses if the borrower defaults on the loan. What is a title company in a real estate transaction? A company responsible for conducting a title search and issuing title insurance.